或还有一些时钟，就这个我选时钟，现在大部分哪一个随便了，先以后再改都可以。这个就不用理。这个是那个传感器，看到没？不是，大家以为，因为我一开始也以为是 camera， 其实不是，是传感器来的。传感器。如果不想和他说话的话，可以剪映的。肉声有什么？完整，搞定。
Welcome to your Google Nest Hub, the ultimate digital photo frame that does so much more. Check it out. With the Google Photos app on your Android or iOS device, you can bring your favorite memories from your phone to your home. Just select the people and pets you want to see, and Google Photos AI will filter out blurry and low-res photos. With live albums, the best and latest shots you've taken on your phone will automatically appear on your hub, no manual updates required. Nest Hub's ambient EQ allows the screen to adjust on its own to match the color and lighting of the room, so photos blend in with your home. These photos are grouped by people and places, which means you can see related photos together, or even search by voice. Hey Google, show my photos of Hawaii. Thanks to your Google Assistant, Nest Hub provides you with help and a glance.
今天的开
Just
箱
tap
就
to see your
到这
home
里，
screen.
谢
For
谢
your
大家
commute,
观看。
calendar,